So the main bedroom is quite an unusual shape.
What I don't like about our current main bedroom, we don't really have any cupboard space.
And this lounge room will be the new main bedroom. Keep these windows, keep the bay window.
Oh, that's going to be a spectacular feature.
So this nursery used to be the kitchen.
This was going to be styled as like a little separate sitting room.
Yeah.
But they're having another babby.
They're going to find it impossible to remember what used to be in that spot.
Oh my gosh, it's every surface.
Actually just taking a moment to try and absorb like what we were looking at.
So with the original house, you came through the side door, not the front door, and there was the big original lounge room with the bay window. We're going to change that into the main bedroom for the parents because that's not where you want your lounge room. You want your lounge room towards the back of the home to flow into the yard.
So we'll have beautiful big double doors opening up here, a space next to the bay window that will be a wardrobe of some description, maybe a dressing table, I'm not really sure. We're going to have wardrobe along here, so ample storage space for everything. And then we come into the ensuite. So this is a newly created wet space. This wasn't here before. Vanity, toilet, and what I love is the shower nook. So no shower screen to clean in here. Who doesn't love one less shower screen to wash?
You and I go good together. We go good together.
I just can't believe this used to be the kitchen.
I know.
Like, I can't even
Well, it was
remember.
not only the kitchen, it was also the dining. This was going to be styled as like a little separate sitting room.
Yeah.
But they're having another babby.
This is an amazing sized room and these
Great.
cutie patootie windows.
Yeah.
I love, yep, the originals, they're great. So yeah, so just reframed.
So main bedroom, hey Bon, this is in the bathroom and I believe we were going to tile all of this up to here, which then becomes sort of wardrobe hallway space.
Yes.
But Lou's changed that now to gyprock this as well as that wall and one big gyprock wall.
Yes, because instead of making it look all awkward and have half, like, you know, tile here, then gyprock here, we just decided let's just gyprock this whole wall, keep it really neat and beautiful, and then tile, 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 tile.
And this is far enough away from the water, so it doesn't
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter.
So
No.
beautiful and open.
I walked in here the other day after the skylights got put in and I just thought, I don't think I'm going to renovate. I think I'm just going to put 40,000 skylights in the house because skylights give your ceiling dimension. Like, so that's where you get your height from. It's height.
It's not just light, it's height, it's bang for buck. Go the skylights.
Okay.
Sold.
I want to share a little tip with you that I've learned. Normally when it comes to gyprocking, we're going direct to a timber frame, like what you see here that we've done to our villa board, which is the back of the ensuite. But what the plasterers have done is that they have screwed in little brackets that get fixed to the brickwork, and then each of the little brackets have got teeth in them that allows the furring channel to go in, but it also allows the wall to be straightened and plumb at the same time. Doing this direct to the brickwork allows you not to lose a 90mm of your timber frame that would normally go in front of the brickwork to then put your gyprocking in. So a fantastic little hint when it comes to plastering brick walls in some of these older homes.
Give me the ball for the last shot. I'ma get the dub. Give me the mic.
All right, so into the primary. Scallywag's coming with us. Oh, here we go. Scallywag is the colour of the room. It's a little bit darker than half.
Yeah.
So we were doing puddle in here, but once we added in the tile and the stone, we felt like that probably just had a little bit too much pink in it for a primary bedroom. And so we've gone the scallywag, and it all makes sense then because you walk in at scallywag in here, at scallywag half in the rest. And we do that quite often with paint.
Oh my God, I'm loving these colours.
These are beautiful.
Bring it on.
Oh, I think smoky pink looks too pink. And I love Terra Rose. Yeah, what one do you guys like best?
I think for a baby,
I agree.
I'd go with Terra Rose. I think this is nice for an older child, but I feel it's just a little heavy for a little baby that's so light.
I remember my newborn days and even the baby and toddler days, and to be able to walk into a room like that with that beautiful rich colour there. It's the Luxe Terra Rose.
And I'm hoping it, you know, doesn't influence the baby at all. I'm hoping it's like the rose that influences the baby and not the terror, because that poor mother, like I named my child Rowdy and sometimes I really regret it because he's so loud. It's like I did that to him.
We've also gone with a fair bit of timber moulding from interim in this house.
Border with the interim, top and bottom, and in the middle, a diamond pattern.
And this is your interim profile that you've chosen?
Yeah, 40 mil. Oh, she looks so pretty.
So that's roughly what it's going to look like.
It's beautiful. It's going to transform this entire space.
The nursery. Oh my golly gosh. Wow. How amazing. Oh,
Wow. I mean,
I don't know what to say.
and it's styled as a baby little girl's nursery with like all soft, like really beautiful light linens and really softening it all
Yeah,
up.
you bring all the light in.
Yeah, and everything, like you've got this base colour.
Oh, I just noticed the paper in it. You're the same colour as the walls. Look at him. He's the same colour. I didn't know you were in there. You're the same colour. Oh, inside the wardrobe is the same colour as well.
Yeah, it's amazing. When Brittany comes in here, you know, as the mum and just with the little baby girl on the way, I
Oh,
just...
a little chair, remember? Do you remember when you first felt pregnant?
Oh, it was all about the chair.
It was just about a chair, like what chair are you going to have?
Yes. Yeah. Have we worked that out?
I don't think she cares, I think this is her third.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah. Oh, wow. Terra Rose. So, Bon, the ensuite, you haven't seen yet the stone sample.
In real life.
Signorino.
I know. Oh, wow.
What do you think in real life?
It's 50 times better than the picture, and the picture was unbelievable.
Can you hold that, because we just need to choose the grout.
Yeah, sweet.
We just want it to blend, right? We don't want
Yeah.
contrast. Hang on, what about this one?
No, it's got too much grey in it. See how that's got more yellow in it?
Oh yeah, totally. It's
Yeah.
too light.
Yeah.
It's almond, 138.
138 almond. All right, great.
All right,
Oh,
with the top
wow.
one. And this one is called Colour Cutter Viola Honed Signorino.
What about I even had to squint looking at that then, and that writing is so big?
Oh, guys, look at how big. Bonnie really needs glasses.
I've got them, but I find it really hard because my long distance is bad and my short distance, and they want to give me the bifocals, but I get sick wearing them.
Oh, you're just a massive problem.
All right, here we are, Barry.
Oh, tiles must be bathroom.
There is a bathroom, but this is the primary bedroom. But imagine you could have a curtain from here to here, and curtain sat there, and a curtain sat there, and it covered this whole space, not that.
Framing this opening with a curtain would be amazing.
Yeah.
Would it look a bit odd to have nothing on that glass? To me, it might.
Yeah.
Then you could put still roller blinds there, but do them as a translucent fabric so the light comes through it.
That's beautiful. And I do like the fact then when we're going back to that continuity of walking through the house, you walk through the house, you see that. You walk to that bedroom, you see that. So there's really only 2 different colours in the house. One in the primary bedroom and one in the little girl's bedroom.
Give me that casa next to Jeff Bezos. Jacuzzi and no pesos.
Carrera by Design are our joinery contractors. We've been using them for as long as I can remember. I know Ronnie sees a new project come up and it's like, oh my gosh, what are they going to ask me to do? But he loves it. He loves pushing the boundaries and coming up with new ways of doing things. So I'm really excited to see what he and Bon come up with for this one. Here we are, Ronnie. I've seen bits and pieces of it as it's been going in over the last week or so. I just love it.
It's beautiful.
And then this little nook over here, that's like a bonus, isn't it?
Yeah.
I feel like this might be Craig's.
Always the case. They always get the small one.
There's so much over there.
Yes.
But yeah, so we're not quite finished yet,
No,
are we?
we're at the end of it. We're just finishing off the last bits and pieces for the robe.
This is what I know Britt will love.
Yeah, so we decided to put something a little bit nicer in here as well.
Yeah,
so
gorgeous.
a little drawer with some, for accessories.
Oh,
You can
yeah.
put some bracelets, rings.
Yeah, and so over here, this is the one. This would be my wardrobe if I lived here, nice and close to the bathroom.
Yep.
Perfect.
And notice on the inside of this
Smells
wardrobe,
good.
on the inside of this wardrobe, the colour. It's also matching the outside.
It just
So it's-
adds that extra bit of class. Like
It does,
just
yes.
really
Yeah.
does, yeah.
The ensuite vanity is insane. I mean, wow, that is such a masterpiece. And the wreath tapware, if you have a look, is this sort of beautiful champagne colour that actually matches the grout. So it's a very, very beautiful ensuite.
So it might not look it, but this is the last week of construction. So we're going to do a big clean-up. EC carpets are going to install at the end of the week, and then we're going to start styling.
Yeah, the carpet in this house is beautiful. It's a gorgeous colour. It's got a fleck through it. Like, I think that's what EC carpets do so well, is a carpet that just so beautifully blended.
What's this?
Oh, pull that up.
What do you mean?
Like pull, like get it, yeah? And now pull it up.
Oh my God. What?
It's gas strut storage underneath. Yeah,
That's amazing. Where's
Isn't
this
that good?
from?
James Lane.
This is a James Lane bed.
Yep.
And then you just tuck that down. Oh
Yep.
my God.
Give her a little whooshka whooshka.
Are these fake? I thought they were real.
No, yeah, they're fake.
Oh my gosh. They're
Rogue.
gorgeous.
They're from Rogue.
Do you know we used Rogue, I swear, in House 5?
It's hilarious.
That looks so real.
What is that, Lance, actually? Oh,
Yeah.
I don't think I've seen one of those
No,
before.
it's the Dyson purifier, so it purifies the air, but it also can heat and cool. It's perfect, it looks so cute. Now, do you want to get your dream home, but don't have the budget? We can help you with that. We've created the 3 Birds Dream Discount Card, where you can save every single day of the year on all the products you need to renovate or style your home. We're talking beds, bed linen, side tables. We've organised discounts for you every single day of the year. Save big on your bedroom and bathroom with the 3 Birds Dream Discount Card.
I can't wait for the day that we get to walk through this property for the first time with the homeowners. They are a beautiful family. We have been so excited throughout this whole journey to bring this home together to deliver back to them. And what's extra special for us is when they brought us to the property and we decided to work on this with them, they were a family of 4 and they're now a family of 5. So we really feel like we've been part of their family journey and we're about to deliver their family home back to them, and I cannot wait.
You ready? There we go.
Oh my God.
seat.
Yeah, it's all
You
original.
can't believe that's that bench seat.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Speechless. Like, who has double doors on their bedroom? It's a beautiful, well-designed, impressive room.
So you've got all storage here, okay?
Okay,
Then,
can I look?
Yes, go for it. So there's so much storage.
And the light.
Oh, it lights up.
Yeah.
You know, they really got the memo about how much I love storage. There's so much storage, room for all our stuff, as well as those really cool pull-down rails for my long dresses.
Whoa. Wow.
This is like my dream, all this storage.
I know, it's crazy, isn't it?
That basin, the two basins, and I don't know, what do we?
Marble vanity.
Marble vanity is spectacular. I mean, I know I'm using that word a lot, but it is stunning.
Pull open the drawers, and so that's all the storage.
Wow.
It's my favourite piece in the whole house. I can't say past that. It's like the pinky tones in the stone, but then it's just such a feature.
And these beautiful taps and mirrors.
And then you've got your little shower. Oh, that's not looking, but your shower like looks around there.
It's amazing.
Wow. Then that hidden shower, that amazing skylight that has a cover on it so that, you know, we can close it up at night so that we're not woken by the sun.
Yeah,
like, just so well thought out. Thank you. I know. We love it.
Betty's room. Wait till you see this. Oh, that's the first smile we've got out of it. Oh, you've got an offset in here.
It's just amazing. I don't know what it is exactly. I just think because I got a little bit sick when I had her, and then I just remember having this moment with her when she was born, and I just felt like really grateful that she was here, but also that you know, I was going to be able to give her like her own beautiful bedroom. And you know, Craig and I wanted her for such a long time, like, and then now we're giving her and our family this amazing house. I think it just hit home, like how grateful we are.
I mean, it just feels so special to have this beautiful room for her. We feel so, so lucky. She's going to love this for many years to come. And, you know, for us, we also felt so lucky to get a little girl. I mean, to be able to celebrate this with such a beautiful pink.
Yeah, we know, like, we're so, so lucky. Yeah, and it's just a beautiful room. She's really special to us, and she's special to our boys, and yeah, I love that room.
So this is currently the main bedroom. This will become half bathroom, half entrance.
Next to our bedroom, you've got one of my son's bedrooms.
So this bedroom remains?
Yes.
And we won't have the internal door system.
No.
The changes to this property are going to be quite significant.
All we have to go off is their track record.
And I feel like their track record on all their past houses have been amazing.